Has AGI been achieved? This is a short, urgent news video. We currently are 1 hour away from the last day in the OpenAI 12-day streak. This last day out of the 12 is what got the people excited. The big reveal is coming up. Will it be ChatGPT 4.5, ChatGPT 5, or even ChatGPT o2? Maybe fully working agents are coming. Or maybe we have achieved AGI. This could be a real possibility, since OpenAI is removing its clause with Microsoft. This clause was about leaving the support of Microsoft once OpenAI reaches AGI. Do you see the link already? Exactly. No one would just remove such a clause without a reason. We will soon see once the last video drops. And even if AGI isn't shown, it could still be a real possibility that OpenAI has acquired AGI behind closed doors. How do you think this might impact the world? Thank you for watching this urgent news video. And remember, curiosity cured the cat. Stay curious. And until next time.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video. Have you subscribed already? I'm waiting. Thank you for subscribing.